heart of the mountain where the terraces rise. If you got my home where the spirit flies. Each step in the green, a story to tell of nature's own beauty, a magical spell. How I long for the moments, the peace that it gives. If you down my home where the skies meet the land, with the whispers of ancients so gentle and grand. When the rain starts to dance in the July breeze, I close my eyes and remember I'm lost at ease. The echo of laughter rings in the air, from the mountains to valleys, it softens each care. Rice paddies shimmer, a golden delight. Under the sun, they sparkle so bright. In dreams I return to the heights where I play, to the heart of the mountains where the terraces rise. If the gone my home where the spirit flies. Each step in the green, story to tell of nature's own beauty, a magical spell. How I long for the moments, the peace that it gives. If the gone my home where the skies meet the land, with the whispers of ancients so gentle and grand. When the rain starts to dance in the July breeze, I close my eyes and remember I'm lost at ease. If you gone my home where the skies meet the land, with the whispers of ancients so gentle and grand. When the rain starts to dance in the July breeze, I close my eyes and remember I'm lost at ease. Up in the mountains where dreams come alive, our lucky whisper, they inspire the sky. Through the hands of the ancients, their legacy thrives. Banawe Ifugao, where traditions won't die. Keep climbing, keep dreaming, reach for the stars. Welcome to the stairway to the sky, where the earth holds the beauty and spirits fly high. From the heart of the terraces to the peaks up above, Mananawe Ifugao, your treasure forever will love. In the cool mountain air, we gather our pride. Among the rice fields, history won't hide. With every step forward, our purpose is clear. Banawe Ifugao, your echo we hear. Improved generations have nurtured, their stories unfold. With sweat on their brows, their spirits are bold. Against the great mountains, they stand side by side. Banawe Ifugao, where the brave hearts abide. Together we rise, we'll never divide. Welcome sky where the earth holds the beauty, and spirits fly high. From the heart of the terraces to the peaks up above, banana way Ifugao, you're a treasure forever we'll love. Welcome to the stairway to the sky where the earth holds the beauty, and spirits fly high. From the heart of the terraces to the peaks up above, banana way Ifugao, you're a treasure forever we'll love. Welcome to mountains where dreams come alive. Our Maki whisper, they spirits are bold. Against the great mountains they stand side by side. Banawe Ifugao, where the brave hearts abide. Together we rise, we'll never divide. Welcome to the stairway to the sky where the earth holds the beauty, and spirits fly high. From the heart of the terraces to the peaks up above, banana way Ifugao, you're a treasure forever we'll love.
I'm at the gateway to Ifugao, one of the 11 municipalities of Ifugao. Lumut's calling, it's time to show the fruits deep in the land where our stories grow. Together we rise, Lumut Ifugao Hakio. We shout it loud, spirit of Ifugao standing out in the crowd. From the hills to the valleys, our love unbound in the heart of our homeland, Lemon first. Feel the strength in our voices, hear the drums beat strong, in the stories of our ancestors where we all belong. Through the trials and the struggles, we sing our song. In Lamut's embrace, this is where we're strong. Hand in hand, Lamut Ifugao Hakio. We shout it loud, spirit of Ifugao standing out in the crowd. From the hills to the valleys, our love unbowed in the heart of our homeland, Lamut first. Lamut hand, Lamut Ifugao Hakio. We shout it loud, spirit of Ifugao standing out in the crowd. From the hills to the valleys, our love unbound in the heart of our homeland, Lamut first. Lamut first. Feel the strength in our voices, hear the drums beat strong, in the stories of our ancestors where we all belong. Through the trials and the struggles, we sing our song. In Lamut's embrace, this is where we're strong. Hand in hand, Lamut Ifugao Hakio. We shout it loud, the spirit of Ifugao standing out in the crowd. From the hills to the valleys, our love unbound in the heart of our homeland, Lamut first. Lamut first. Lamut Ifugao Hakio. Lamut first. Lamut first.
Look out where the mountains rise, a hidden treasure beneath the skies, with rice terraces dancing in the light. It's a sight that fills my heart with pride. Welcome to the land of ancient tales. Here the spirit of the Ifugao prevails. From sunrise to the golden dusk, in Lagao it's more than just trust. This is home, where my heart belongs. Lagao, the heart of Ifugao. Feel the strength, we'll show you how. With every step on the sacred ground, a love so deep it knows no bounds. In the market, hear the laughter roam. In every face you'll find your home, with stories carried on the breeze. In Lagao, life's meant to please. Together we'll rise, writing our own song. Lagao, the heart of Ifugao. Feel the strength, we'll show you how. With every step on the sacred ground, a love so deep it knows no bounds. In the market, hear the laughter roam. In every face you'll find your home, with stories carried on the breeze. In Lagao, life's meant to please. Together we'll rise, writing our own song. Lagao, the heart of Ifugao. Feel the strength, we'll show you how. With every step on the sacred ground, a love so deep it knows no bounds. Lagao, a place I come to love, where the stars shine bright and the spirits shove. Together we'll stand, united and proud. In the rhythm of life our hearts beat loud. Oh, oh, oh. The love so deep, it knows no bounds. In the heart of the mountains where the rivers flow, a tide's calling me, oh it feels like home. The amphitheater's beauty, a sight to behold. Fields of green rice terraces, stories untold. Let the spirit of nature ignite my soul. Let the spirit of nature ignite my soul. Take me to Batam, let the journey begin, where the tapia falls, cascade inviting me in. The whispers of the mountains, a sweet serenade. In the beauty of Batam, I promise I'll stay. That I take on those winding trails, the warmth of the sun as the cool breeze sails, the laughter of the locals, the joy in their song. In the bass like the tide, I know that I belong. Up in the highlands I'll find my peace. Take me to the top, let the journey begin. Promise I'll stay. Take me to Bataan, let the journey begin. Journey begin. Whether we're the top falls, cascade divine. The whispers of the mountains, a sweet serenade. In the beauty of Bataan, I promise I'll stay. In the city of pines where the river flows, the streets of Session Road calling us both. As the whispers of the cool breeze rise, let's skate through the fog and watch the skies. No worries, just us feeling alive. So can you go as a friend or beg yo with me? Through the markets and the music we'll roam wild and free. Hand in hand we'll conquer this mountain town. With laughter and stories, you'll never feel down. The pine trees sway as we walk side by side in the cool mountain air. There's nowhere to hide. Under the stars, let's paint the night bright. Only here in Baguio, where nothing feels tight. With each tender moment, we'll climb up those heights, embracing the chill on those magical nights. In every corner, a memory waits. Together we thrive as friendship creates. Let's push through the clouds, let our spirit alive. So can you go as a friend to Baguio with me? Through the markets and the music we'll roam wild and free. Hand in hand we'll conquer this mountain town. With laughter and stories, you'll never feel down. So can you go as a friend to Baguio with me? Through the markets and the music we'll roam wild and free. Hand in hand we'll conquer this mountain town. With laughter and stories, you'll never feel down. The pine trees sway as we walk side by side in the cool mountain air. There's nowhere to hide. Under the stars, let's paint the night bright. Only here in Baguio, where nothing feels tight. So can you go as a friend to Baguio with me? Let's chase down the sunlight, just you and me. In the arms of the hills, forever we'll be. With peace in our hearts, can't you see? So can you go as a friend to Baguio with me? Let's chase down the sunlight, just you and me. In the arms of the hills, forever we'll be. With peace in our hearts, can't you see? You'll never feel down. Whoa, 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 ever feel down. In the heart of the mountains, where the rice terraces are carved, my Tagu Cordillera, where strength is compiled. The warriors arise with the sun on their back. With courage ignited, they stay on their track. Together we rise. united and free. Mataku Taku Cordillera, land of the brave, Bengedi Fugao, Bon Takalinga and Apiao. With passion and pride, Ego are proud to be Hagio, Mataku Taku Cordillera. In the shadows of pine trees, our stories unfold, with the spirit of ancestors, their whispers so bold. Cordillera, our home, Cordillera, we belong. In unity we gather, as warriors of the lands. Let the echoes of our heartbeats blaze the trail. Mataku Taku Cordillera, land of the brave, Bengedi Fugao, Bon Takalinga and Apiao. With passion and pride, Ego are proud to be Hagio, Mataku Taku Cordillera. Let the echoes of our heartbeats blaze the trail. Mataku Taku Cordillera, land of the brave, Bengedi Fugao, Bon Takalinga and Apiao. With passion and pride, Ego proud to be Hagio, Mataku Taku Cordillera, land of warriors brave and free. Bengedi Fugao, Bon Takalinga and Apiao. People from the mountains, warriors of the land. Hagio, Hagio, Mataku Taku Taku Namin Cordillera, the land of warriors brave and free. Bengedi Fugao, Bon Takalinga and Apiao. People from the mountains, warriors of the land. Hagio, Hagio, Mataku Taku Taku Namin Cordillera.